Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn, and today I am making a Southern favorite. I love this recipe, and it is a fried pickled okra. So we pickle okra here every year, and I'm always looking for ways to use it. Now we'll usually have it next to a fried chicken, French fries, a potato salad, and then you've got your fried okra, which is amazing. Or, fried okra or fried pickled okra, or just the plain pickled okra. So if you've never seen it, this is what a pickled okra looks like. And it is just scrumptious, exactly like this, but we're gonna make it even better. And I can say that it has the flavor of a fried pickle elevated. It's just that much better. So I have been heating my oil, and it's at 350 degrees. So I'm gonna get going really fast so that it doesn't get overheated. It's okay if it gets up to 375, it won't be a problem. Now I am getting my wet ingredients, which are this egg and a couple of dashes of hot sauce. So that is where I'm gonna dip my okra for the first time, and then it's gonna go into my dry ingredients. So I'm gonna get that good and mixed up. I like to use an old tin that you make bread in because it's just shallow enough but just deep enough. You could use a regular dish for this if you want to do that. So I've got that nice and mixed, and now I'm going to add to my cup of cornmeal, which is yellow cornmeal. I'm going to add about a half a cup of flour to that, and then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder, okay, and then a little bit of cayenne pepper, not much because you've already got the hot sauce in here, but enough. It's going to give it a little bit of a kick. I'm going to do about a tablespoon of Creole seasoning. You can make your own, or you can get it prepared already at the store, and I like Tony's. That's a really good one. There's all kinds of great ones out there. A little bit of pepper. All right, and I'm just going to give that a quick stir. Okay. Yum. Isn't this the best pan, though, to do this in? This is great. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little bit more hot sauce in this. I can't see it, and I want to make sure that I see the red. Now, that's going to give it a nice kick. Okay, so now I'm going to dip my okra in here. All right, get it really good and coated. Okay, and then it's going to go straight into the dry ingredients, and I'm going to get it really nice and coated, and then I'm going to go ahead and dip it straight into the oil. Okay, so my oil is now at 375, so it is pretty hot. Okay, I may need to lower that temperature, but as soon as I get more of these in, it will not be, it'll drop the temperature. Okay, all right, here we go. It's going to be great. It only takes about 2 minutes to get done. And I am doing something special today. I'm going to be putting this on a fish taco. And the fish taco is going to have an amazing salsa on top of it. It's actually I'm going to call it a chutney. And it's a black-eyed pea chutney. And it's going to be delicious. Okay, let's see this first one. Look at that. That is looking great. I think that one's ready. All right, I'm going to separate these out just a little bit. Turn down my heat a hair because it is a little bit too hot. Okay. I'm going to let that go just another minute or so. Check the oil. All right, I'm going to lower the heat a little bit because we're going around 400 degrees. All right, and I think these are about ready. Okay, so you're not having to get the fried okra done. So you're really just getting that nice crust on the outside. I serve these with a comeback sauce, which is to die for. It's on my website at stacylynnharris.com. And one of the secret ingredients in that comeback sauce is celery stalks. And I put it in a blender and get that with a little mayonnaise and a couple of other wonderful ingredients and some cayenne pepper, and it is so good. A little bit of garlic. It's just delicious. So that is how, and I'll fry these up here in just a minute, but that is how to make fried pickled okra. It is going to be delicious on that fish taco. I hope you'll watch my other recipes at stacylynnharris.com, or just subscribe to this channel right now and continue to watch, and you're going to get to see the progression of me making the black-eyed pea salsa that's going to go on top of the fried catfish, with on top of lettuce, with this fried okra on top, with an amazing drizzle of a yogurt topping. It is going to be divine, and I don't want you to miss that. So please subscribe to my website at stacylynnharris.com. Subscribe to here and get more of my recipes. I'll talk to you soon, and I hope you have a great day.